morning, guys.
Good morning.
Where are you? Where are you today? We're already in Pasukin, Ilocos Norte. Where are you going, Yeng?
To Cagayan.
We're in Cagayan.
Pupunta po si Mom.
Sa
Cagayan.
Cagayan. So, say hi to your viewers na.
Hi.
What can you say? What can you say, Yeng?
Hi, guys.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Why are you happy?
Because we gonna go to Cagayan.
How about you, Yeng?
We go to Cagayan.
Ah, okay. Wow!
Ito hindi na pa nang sana.
Ayun, di tani.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
We are here in Pagudpod.
Hoy.
Hi guys.
Nagapit.
Meters, turn left onto Cagayan Valley Road, Maharlika Highway.
Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel.
So where are we going?
To
Apari, Cagayan.
Yes.
Bye, guys.
I have slime. Dito na po tayo guys.
Ayan, guys. Umaambon ng konti. Nandito na tayo sa Apari, Cagayan. Ayun na, yung arko nila. Check natin kung anong meron sa Apari. Apari Town proper na po tayo. Iyan po yung Lyceum of Apari. Oh, yan. Oo.
McDonald's.
Meron din po tayong McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Meron din po tayong
Ming-
Jollibee. Ayan, guys. Yung Cagayan River.
May bangka pa din.
May bangka rin dyan, oh. Cagayan River. Andun na rin yung Jollibee.
Nasaan
Mag-aabay
po?
mo.
Ayun, oh, at saka yung
doon pala.
Cebuana. Nakikita ko na siya.
Nakita ko na yung Jollibee.
Yeah.
Gusto ko yung chicken.
Yeng! Yeng, it's your turn. Yeng, it's your turn. Yes. It's baby Yeng's turn na. In 1, 2, 3, go! Yee! Kastayan eh. Amoy kastayan eh.
May 20 pa lang siya ko. 299 na lang ako ito.
anong masasabi nyo sa Kamalanyugan?
Masaya
Madaming nyug.
guys. At madaming nyug.